Hi, my name is Jivan Kumar and I would like to introduce the SOA middleware to everyone. And if you want to know about this SOA middleware, first of all you have to know about the basics regarding digital. You have to know what digital means and what is meant by XSD and what is meant by XSL and some important things, but we have to mainly know these XSD and digital for JDeveloper. Okay, and first of all I would like to start directly into the uh, jdev. Okay, this is only recording the developing side, and if you interested in admin side, you can say you can choose another thing. Presently I was only telling about developing side only. For developing side we have to require only only we have to require jdeveloper, and which it has to have jdk and with a jdeveloper with SOA extension. Okay, just download it from the Oracle Fusion, where you can get this jdev and SOA extension. After installing jdev, just here update SOA extension. Here click next. jdeveloper is bit slow, whereas at starting after installation it will be very fast, but after some 3-4 days it get very slow. Yes, here in the update menu, you have to browse the SOA extension file. Yes, here install from a local file. Just browse the SOA jdev extension file from your local machine and click finish. That's it. You get a restart of jdev, and click the new application. Okay, here we are going to see just only this is the first program in SOA Fusion, and this is a simple one, and I gonna say this is first one, and this is application name is, for suppose, first app in SOA, and select the SOA application here below and click next, and say, for suppose this is a first project, hello project. Here in this SOA Fusion we are doing this in hello project. Just we are taking the input and displaying it as in the output. Just follow my instructions carefully here. This is the project name and this is the directory where the hello program, that is nothing but this SOA project is saved here in this directory and remaining as default. Click next and click an empty composite file. Click finish. You can see here your application name will be here only, and your project consists of only composite XML with an empty composite XML, and this is not such much important right now. This is just a beginning, and this is an hello program, just like a simple hello program, not a hello program. And in composite.xml you can see exposed service. These are the services what we had to interact, and these are the components where the logic has been developed, and this is external references. Here in SOA, it is mainly used for one of the advantage is it can be reusable. Here in external references, we can reuse anything. For suppose this SOA program, nothing but a binding purpose. It is mainly used for used. Okay. So let's start the program. Drag down this BPL process into the component. Okay, then you can see pop up here BPL 2.0 specification and BPL 1.1 specification. You can use anything what you want. I can go with this BPL. Sorry for this. Okay. I will go to it's a 1.1 specification. You can try it 2.0, a little bit difference, but you can continue, no problem. This is fast program, hello program. Yeah, this is synchronous. What it meant by synchronous? Asynchronous one-way BPL process default service letter defense service letter, sorry, based on a visual subscribe to events. We can go through only these three only. This is the default service letter, so nothing but define service letter. That means how the input type, how the output type, everything will be defined customly. For suppose now we have to take synchronous BPL. What it means we are giving an input and we are taking an output. That's simple thing. We are giving money and taking money. That's like synchronous process is there. And click OK. After clicking OK, just see here in that project panel. You see this some visual is formed and some composite type formed and some BPL is formed and some XSD. This is the XSD formed after that drag down of BPL into the your component. Just open that. Here the input, the process is there. Process request. Nothing but this is a process request given to the BPL. That is the business logic. In business logic, we are giving some input and we are getting that response output. This is the input for suppose, and this is the response output what we are getting. And this is input type is some declare some name here, element name, and this is string. This input variable is a string or something. You can define whatever you want. For so here we are declaring as a string, and this is the output, and result is output, and this type is string. Okay, and open the visual. Here go to the source file. First thing, this is the XSD import into the visual, and this is message is the alias name of XSD where we defining here, and this is the port tag, nothing but the operation what we did, nothing but the input output required declared to be here, and this is a partner link. In case we want to get reference from out, we have to declare here only. Okay, and let's go to the BPL. This is where it comes from. Yeah, don't worry. If you go here, after dragging, these two components has formed. This is the service, web service, and this is the BPL. Just double click it. You can see here. This is a partner link and this is a partner link. These two sides. The logic is developed here only. Here receive. What it doing is we are giving an input by this service. Just see this. giving to input, and by replay activity we are getting output to the service. Okay, here in between receive and replay we are assigning a small activity here. What it means, something we are doing to the input and output. Just double click it, and here input, what we said earlier, that is this is a simple program and hello program. We are just taking input to output. So here the source, nothing but inputs are available here, and this is the place where outputs are taken, and here from input variable to just bind this to the output variable. Nothing but by this we can say that everything what you are written here will goes to written here. Okay, just click OK. Yeah, this is the first program. Fine, it is over, and just deploy your program. Right click on hello, deploy hello. It can be deployed in 3 ways, more than 3 ways, sorry, 4 types. Presently here we can see that 2 types. One is by deploying in a jar format, nothing but SAR format, and directly deploying into enterprise manager. Just I would like to deploy in enterprise manager, and I will click next and go right in if an existing area. Just click next. This is the one which was enterprise manager what we created. Click next. It will take some time to search for the server. And here in this palette, just look at what are the things are there. These are the things we use regularly. Here scope means if you know Java, what curly brace did, the scope will do the same thing. And pick, if you want to pick anything, we will see this in example what the pick use. And sequence, and sequence is a thing what we can assign activity regularly. And fetch, if any condition might be required. Oh, it's taking a lot of time. I think server has gone. Something happened. Just INTR. What happened to my server? Let's see. It is taking time. Just come back. Or else we can try another way. Just go back. Deploy in SAR. can see in deploy files in C, Oracle and middleware. Developers. Sorry, wait, favor. Sorry, developer, my work. First application, I think it is not this one. Hello one, deploy, I think. Deploy. Yeah, deploy successfully. Just browse this. Go to the enterprise manager. Click on deployment to the partition. Just browse the jar file. That is just click next. Deploy. Test this one. Look at here. We are giving some string. I already told that it is declared as input and it is a string. But suppose I have given something, my name Jiva, and I will test the web service, and the result is hi. That just copy the string from input to output. I think I forgot to. This is not my name.